All right, so market overview, we're gonna go over US 30 and gold, give you guys the potential setup for either tonight during the London session or in the morning for the New York session. So let's start over here with the US 30. So check this out. US 30 on the daily time frame, we're still creating higher highs and higher lows, right? We have higher lows, and higher lows. We did maintain itself above this area of resistance, which price is now holding it above as support. Perfect push into the upside. Very simple. I just sent you guys the outlooks. I pretty much just explained you guys all this. But anyways, check this out. We did break above my first target, which is going to be the 38,520, right? So very simple. Not going to keep everything complicated. What am I going to be waiting for now? I'm going to be waiting now for the pullback into the 38,520. So make sure you guys have the alarm at 38,520. So I'm going to be waiting for price to give me the pullback. Obviously, once we do get a pullback, we want to make sure that price does remain itself above. We do remain itself above, we can definitely start looking for a second position, to add a second position with this buy position, and we can target obviously these highs over here, which is going to be our first take profit, right? This high is going to be around the 38,650 area. This level continues to break above. This is going to be my full take profit with buys at around the 38,770, which is going to be my main target for bullish, right? Which is going to be overall the all-time highs, and from there on, obviously, I'm going to send you guys a new analysis. Now, if price does fail to remain itself above the 38,520, I really won't be looking for any trades around this range, because this is where price has been consolidating, right? So once price starts breaking under this area, we're basically going to be under this area of consolidation, which we don't want to be trading on. So where I'll be interested in looking for sell will either be the break under this zone over here, under the 38,400, which is going to break the under the consolidation, or if price just simply breaks under the 38,300, I'm going to be looking for sales, right? So I'm just interested in taking sales under these two zones, which is 38,400 and then under the 38,300 zone, right? So again, once price comes in here, you guys don't want to be trading, so make sure you guys don't write this, no trades. Let me just put this like this, not trade, right? So don't be trading inside here, just gonna be waiting for those proper breakouts. Let's go into gold. So gold is very interesting, so we're gonna go into the daily time frame, right? So what I want you guys to focus on right now is on the weekly. So check this out. On the weekly time frame, we are seeing weekly wick rejection towards this area of resistance, right? We go down into the daily time frame. What is this area holding as? We're holding this area as a support. Going to the 4-hour time frame price yesterday, we came into this lowest price, which is going to be around the 2016. You can go back into the daily time frame. You guys can see that is this completely daily area of support. Go into the 4-hour, or let's go into the 1-hour time frame, right? Once we created this low over here, what did price started doing? We started pushing to the upside, created a high point. We came back and created a higher low, right? So we have a low point and a higher low. What happened next? Price starts breaking above and forms a new higher high. So now price is creating these higher highs and higher lows off the 1-hour, 4-hour time frame. So obviously, since price already seen that we did maintain above this area support, what I'm going to be waiting for next is obviously to pull back into these zones, which is going to be either the 2030 or the 2028, right? So the 20 pip range, I'm going to be waiting for price to give me a pullback into both of these two zones over here. Again, price remain itself above, give you guys those rejection, make sure that price does create those higher lows, then you guys can definitely start looking for some buy position. Once we get those entry, this can be your first take profit, which is going to be around the 2040 area, and then obviously if price continues to break above, my second take profit, or my overall take profit, is going to be above the 2047. Once price does come into the 2047, right, which is this area of resistance, on Sunday I give you guys the breakdown, which I'm going to be looking at 2047, right? So if price does come into 2047, make sure to see if price can remain itself above, because this is actually an area where I'll be interested in taking sales. If of course price just comes into 2047, rejects it, obviously start give you guys the same reaction as here and over here. So that's going to be what I'm looking for gold buys. And then of course, if price starts breaking under this range is over here, again, I'm not going to be taking any sales under this level, because again, notice how price over here just was consolidating, right? So pretty much if price comes here, it's pretty much going to be just doing the same thing. So we'll be interested in taking sales under the 2021 area. Obviously just wait for the proper break and retest. Target one, which is going to be 2016. This area end up breaking under, simply wait for the same thing, break and retest, and then overall I'm going to target down into the to the 2005 area, which is going to be my main target for the bearish movement. Now, like I did explain yesterday, if price comes into the 25 area, the 2005 area or the 2010 area, and we do see that this major support over here continues to bounce up like this, I will be looking for some bounce plays as well, only if price does remain itself. If it doesn't, then I'll be giving you guys another proper breakdown video. So that's pretty much going to be it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.